Why is it like poofy up here but not up here?
I'm trying to. I'm not done. Stupid.
We just gotta work with it. It's stupid.
That's ugly.
That looks really good.
Green.
I love.
We're going in the car to go pick up man horse. Male strippers from Canada.
Oh yeah. Grayson needs to get in here. We're gonna go. Uh-oh. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. When? It's always a good time, man. It's always a good time, man. Beautiful girl. Oh, we gotta go in slow motion.
That's right. This girl I'm not letting go. I've only got a few till you come in. I finally found you. Finally found you. Finally found you. You know I'm gonna get you.
102.5 WIOG Enrique.
So last night I was at the bar and I was like, oh my gosh, hookah! Oh, no, horse. Yeah! Oh! I keep Sit.
Why do you
Wiener.
say words like that?
Ah. Oh, my ocean on it. Okay. I got hair on me. Oh, the TV isn't playing, Larkin.
Neither is the bed. I was riding my unicycle down the road,
Oh my god.
and this clown came up to me.
This is such a fake story.
No, it's not. No, it's not. I can ride a unicycle. Dang it. Oh my gosh, okay, so one time, we were at this place. I don't know why we were there. My stepmom, she was trying to sell her wedding dress.
Who sells their wedding dress?
Not, like, no, it was the one she was gonna wear, but she got a different one. So she had to sell the other one. And so she was gonna sell it or whatever, right? And this chick there was selling stuff from her bachelorette party or whatever they call those things. I don't know. Yeah. And my stepsister, Caitlin, she went to that girl's table, and there was a steak and it had a wiener on it. And Caitlin thought it was abs.
What?
It was legit, not like a hot dog wiener,
Oh!
but like a manly wiener. And Caitlin thought it was abs. And it was so funny. It's like she was carrying it around, and she was like, "Woo, abs!"
Was it like a hot dog?
No, it was a penis.
How could she have a penis?
Oh my gosh, I just said it was at the chick's table. It was like on a stick. It was a plastic penis.